As we are getting closer to the launch event, the leaks are getting more and more wider. Some more renders of Pixel 9, 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL and 9 Pro Fold are here. The legend Oneplus shared some official renders of whole Pixel 9 series. The rumored display size for the Pixel 9 Pro is 6.34 inches and for the 9 Pro XL it is 6.73 inches. This time we have the front of the phones as well. As it can be seen, the bezels are very minimum and same on both phones, and the rumored 50 megapixel selfie shooter is placed in center punch hole design. And you can see that this time we have more colors confirmation. These are the Pixel 9 colors and these are the Pixel 9 Pro colors. But 9 Pro colors look actually premium. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold was also seen in renders, and this is the only device in whole 9 series I am really excited about to see it in live action. This fold is going to be 10.5mm thin in folded state, and which is 1.6mm thinner than Samsung Z Fold 6. So this is really going to give the tough competition to the Samsung Fold and Oneplus Open. Other major upgrade is in main display crease. We have seen the previous Pixel Fold which was leaving the line on main display when folded and unfolded again and again, and this time Google has fixed it to some extent, and we might not see that much of crease on Pixel 9 Pro Fold. To be honest, this is going to destroy the Samsung Z Fold because of the hardware and the competitive design. And about the chipset, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and all other models in Pixel 9 series are going to have the Tensor G4, which is new best processor from Google, but it couldn't win against the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, but it's still gonna be the best in its lineup. Here is the complete specs sheet. Pixel 9 Pro Fold is having 6.3 inches cover display and 8 inches main display, both with 120Hz refresh rate. There will be 4650 mAh of battery with 22 watts of ordinary charging, not so fast. That's all about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It is launching in few days. So that's pretty much it for Pixel 9 Pro Fold. It is launching in few days. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.